It looks so European. I love it.
Like Pretty Woman. Pretty not pretty good.
Yeah.